In today's video, I am going to teach you how to clear Google Chrome download history. Clearing your download history in Chrome is a quick way to remove the list of files you have downloaded from the Downloads page. This can be helpful if you share your computer, if you want to tidy up your browser, or if you simply prefer to keep that list private. Keep in mind that clearing the download history removes the record in Chrome, but it does not delete the actual files from your computer. Anything you downloaded will still be in your Downloads folder or wherever you saved it. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you are in a regular Chrome window where you can see the toolbar at the top. Next, look to the top right corner of the Chrome window. You will see an icon with 3 vertical dots. Click those 3 dots to open the Chrome menu. This menu is where Chrome keeps many of its main options and shortcuts. From that menu, select Downloads. Chrome will open your Downloads page, usually in a new tab. On this page, you will see a list of your recent downloads, along with details like file names and the time they were downloaded. This is the download history that Chrome stores inside the browser. Now move your attention to the top right corner of the Downloads page. Select Clear All. Chrome will prompt you with a confirmation pop-up window. This extra confirmation is there to prevent clearing the list by accident, since it removes the entire download history shown on this page. In the pop-up window, click the Clear All button to confirm. After you confirm, the list of downloads will be cleared from the Downloads page. Once the download history is cleared, you can close the Downloads tab to return to your normal browsing. If you want to double-check your work, you can reopen the Downloads page and confirm that the list is empty. And that is all there is to it.